Hi friends, welcome to Ani's kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a different kind of rasayanam. Rasayanam in the sense usually for the puja in the temples we use the bananas, but here it will be something different and it's a special. This rasayan is very good for health also. So first of all, let me introduce what are the ingredients I am going to use here. Here I am going to use a coriander powder. See, coriander powder I have just taken as is. From the shop I brought it. I am not roasting or anything. I have taken as is. And for this I am going to add elaichi. Elaichi in the sense we call it as elaki in the south people will call, and it's an elaichi. And here I am going to use a gulkan, 2 tablespoons of gulkan, and I'm going to add honey, 1 tablespoon of honey, and here the ghee. Come, let's prepare how to prepare this rasayanam. I'm going to show you step by step. First of all, I've taken a bowl. Let me take an empty bowl and I'm going to add the coriander powder, and we call it as also dhania powder. So this is what I'm going to add it. See how we prepare, and this dhania powder is very good for the brain also, which will be always the brain can be active. And next I'm going to use this elaichi powder. So elaichi I'm going to add to this, and now I'm giving a good mix to this. And next I'm going to add a gulkan. So 2 tablespoon of gulkan I'm going to add to this rasayanam. Just try at your home and see how it is, and this is very useful, and you know that honey also is very useful. And next here I'm going to add, after gulkan I'm going to add the honey also. See, all the ingredients what I'm adding is very good for the health. And then I'm going to add ghee, little bit of ghee I'm going to add to this. So now I'm going to give a good mix to this. See this leha. So what I'm going to use this, you can just see to this. I'm going to give a good mix to this. If you want, you can add gulkan, more of ghee, and more of honey also. And this you can, it's a preservative also. You can store this for months together and you can use it. And this is the coriander powder. What I am using is, usually this is useful, very useful for the eyesight also. See, this is how you are getting this. Give a good mix to this. See, you can see it how it is. So people nowadays, now generations, people attend to usually added to the mobile phones, TV and computers, and this rasayana helps to them to activate their brain. And if they have giddiness, if they take this for 15 days, and you can see whether how the giddiness has been improved them, whether the giddiness is there or not. So just 15 days of this will show you the complete giddiness will be gone. So this is how I have prepared it. Let me transfer it to the bowl for serving it. So I'll just take a small serving bowl. I'm just going to add this. So you can see now how it is. So this you can give to your children. For the adults, there's no restrictions for the age. And even for the dryness of eyes also, this helps very well. So you have seen now, so how fast we can do without using any fire or anything, without a gas. We are just doing it, and even it's lessers the heat. In case if the brain has a lot of heat kind of a thing, then this also works out very well. So if you have the tears in the eyes, even that also helps. So and the brain also becomes active. So always mobile and TV or any of the computers, if you are using, this Rasayana helps you very well. So I think this video will help you, and I think this Rasayana you are going to prepare in your home and try this. So if you like this video, please click on like button, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.